Hi, what do you do with garlic that's losing its shelf life? Stick with me, I'll show you what to do. So you know that everything has a shelf life, even our beautiful garlic, one of my favorite things. So whether you have garlic that you've stored for the winter and it's had its day, it's starting to get a little bit soft, and you don't want to throw it out because this garlic still has a lot of nutrients. So what you do is you take all the cloves and separate them, and you're just going to mince them up. So I'm just going to give it a little hit so I can peel them. And then I'm going to mince up this garlic because you can see that it's turning. So this pertains to people in the city that don't have a garden, that just have garlic that has lost a little bit of its freshness, or people that have a garden and they've had it in storage and now it's starting to say, you know what, I've kind of done my time and I need to do something else. So you take this minced garlic. I have some ice cube trays filled half with water. I'm going to fill these ice cube trays with minced garlic, and then you pop them in the freezer. And when you are cooking, you can take out whatever you need. Each little ice cube tray probably has about a tablespoon of garlic. So when you're cooking, you can take out one ice cube, use it in your cooking, and these things are going to stay fresh in your freezer for, they'll stay fresh for a couple of years, but you'll probably use them long before that, and you'll use them in your cooking, and you don't have to throw out your garlic. So one of my favorite things is definitely use your garlic. Don't throw it out. Put it in your ice cube trays, and you can use it for cooking whenever you like it, right? One of my favorite things, and you have a great day.